Listen, if you're lazy and you want to become rich or financially free, this video is for you. And let me tell you, this is not a video on how to become a millionaire overnight without doing anything. And if you are looking for something similar, you have zero chances of becoming rich. But if you have the guts to watch this clip till the end, it is life-changing, because I'm going to reveal my 3-step proven process that help you get rid of your laziness and move towards your millionaire status. If you're new on this channel, my name is Cecco, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs escape their 9-to-5 boring job and or create a profitable online information-based business thanks to my 15 years marketing experience. Step number 1. Acknowledge your desire. I have a question for you. Why do you want to become a millionaire? What are the motivations behind your desire? This is a banal question, but it makes all the difference. I can say that most people don't get what they want because they don't have a real motivation behind their desires. Let me give you a real example. I don't like going to the gym, really, I don't like it at all, but I would like to have a 6-pack abs. Since I'm very severe honest with myself, I perfectly know that I will never reach this goal for 2 main reasons. Reason number 1. I like eating. I love wine, pasta, pizza and all delicious foods. So I don't accept the idea of avoiding eating excellent food just to have a perfect body. And number 2, honestly, I don't give a f***. Indeed, I used these words, I would like, and I didn't say I want. This is an important starting point. So, the lesson here is this. If your why in life or business is not big enough, you will not get your desired results. Maybe your laziness is due to a lack of motivation, or because you don't know what to do in order to reach your millionaire status. Indeed, when you don't have a clear and defined path to reach a destination, there is no chance you will get that specific goal. But I have good news for you. Let me introduce the second step. Step number 2. Having a plan. Once you have decided the amount of money you want to earn and why, you need a plan. Without a plan, there is no chance to get anything in life. And let me tell you a great secret. Knowing what to do is the antidote against procrastination and laziness. Indeed, most people are lazy because they don't know what to do to reach their goals, don't have a plan, or are unable to execute it. Let's continue with the plan first. To become a millionaire, forget about working as an employee remotely. It doesn't mean you can become a millionaire by working for someone else, but it is the slow and boring lane. The fast lane is to start a business. And today, plenty of opportunities are available to the market, online and offline. And in this video, I'm not going to share with you every single opportunity, but I want to give you an intelligent perspective to let you make the right choice. For sure, especially if you start from zero and you don't have much money to invest, I highly recommend starting an online business. There are 2 main vehicles you can use to start a real, sustainable and profitable online business. Vehicle number 1, e-commerce. And let me tell you, I'm against dropshipping, Amazon FBA and selling shit to people. Indeed, this is the exact path to fail. Instead, I'm talking about offering real products, with the primary intent to help people solve their problems and establish a business relationship. This is the only way you have to run a profitable e-commerce business and become a millionaire. Obviously, to run this business model, you need a small capital, because you have to purchase some products in advance. You need a warehouse to store your products, and maybe an employee or collaborator to start. This business model requires you to have at least $15K or $20K to start your company. I know that many gurus don't tell you this, but since I have friends who work in the e-commerce space, I know the real numbers. But there is another choice. Vehicle number 2, selling expertise. Actually, I have been in this information-based business since 2009, and it is the best business model to become a millionaire, selling online courses and services, especially if you don't have much money to invest. Now, let's suppose you don't have a defined expertise to share. In this case, what can you do? Honestly, I was in this specific situation 15 years ago, and I decided to partner with some professionals and experts to help them share their knowledge, and we split profits. And you know what? I put only my marketing knowledge, but they put their expertise and money. So I was in business without investing money from my side. No entrepreneurial risks. Based on my experience, the expertise business model is the best vehicle to reach your millionaire status. By the way, once you have chosen between these two vehicles, e-commerce or selling expertise, you need the right digital marketing skills and strategies to sell anything to anyone. Let's be real, my friend. Reaching your millionaire status by selling stuff online without having the right marketing knowledge is pretty impossible. So, digital marketing skills and strategies allow you to execute any business idea and sell anything to anyone. So, let's switch to the last and final step. Step number 3. Executing the plan. This is the most important step that separates winners from losers, millionaires from broke people. The world is full of great ideas, but few people are able to execute them. So, you have decided why you want to be a millionaire. You have chosen the plan, and now you need the right perspective to execute the plan. In order to transform your plan into a real business, you need to master 3 pillars every profitable business is built around. Pillar number 1, marketing skills. They allow you to practically execute your business idea. Pillar number 2, strategy. It allows you to know what you have to do. Pillar number 3, mindset. It ensures your business beliefs are aligned with your goals. And based on my 15 years of experience in running businesses, I can assure that the mindset is more important than the strategies and skills. If you start from scratch and you don't have any idea of what to do to master these 3 pillars, I invite you to watch this private video, 20 minutes to digital prosperity, the online business breakthrough. I show you everything you need to know to start earning 6 figures per year confidently, even without having any particular expertise or money. So click on the button below, fill out the form and watch it now. It's free. And I'm not talking about becoming a millionaire in 2 months, because this is not a rich quick scheme. I'm going to show you what worked for my mentors and for me, my 15-year experience. I'm excited to share this amazing stuff. I have been fortunate enough to learn from mentors many years ahead of me. And today I want to share with you these 3 pillars that have made all the difference in my life. So click on the button below, fill out the form and watch this video now. Stop your lazy mood now and start changing your life today. This video, 20 minutes to digital prosperity, the online business breakthrough, is your starting point. So click on the button below, fill out the form and watch it now.